Howdy y'all. Thought I'd share the new version of the Props 3D Mandalorian blaster before it goes out. This was made by our new shop rat, Mason. So this is physically the same as the previous version of the Mandalorian blaster, but honestly, the props we were releasing before were a little too hard to build, so Craig went back to the drawing board and redid all of the firmware for the RP2040 and the DF Pro. This makes it way easier to build, way easier to wire, and more importantly, you no longer need Arduino IDE, you no longer need a USB card. All it is drag and drop firmware, literally just plug it in, drag the firmware on, upgrades programs itself, and the audio, plug in USB-C, upload your audio files. Also, the audio is a lot higher quality, so I thought I'd show you how it works, which is kind of the same way actually, but still. So that turns it on. Then, obviously pull the trigger to fire. Super loud. There's now a cover on the speaker. It doesn't impede the sound, but makes it look a lot more uncanny. Of course, there's lights on the front. I ran out of ammo, so I can turn it off and back on again, and that reloads it. I didn't turn it all the way off. And now you have 10 shots again. If you hold it down for 4 seconds, the trigger that is, plays the theme song. One other nice touch, if you hold the trigger down for 2 seconds and let go, it will play an alternate set of audio files by request for this gentleman. Plays custom sounds. Literally drag, drop, new audio. So easy. So this is coming hopefully in January. I've already released the firmware and the new audio files on the Props 3D website. Link in the description. I've already started uploading the how-to files on it. And of course, we've already released 3D models and I have updated on Thingiverse. So this is just one of many cool things we have coming up in the new year. All much better built, much easier to use, and way more awesome. So take care all. And Merry Christmas.